Hello everyone, what's up? In this video we are going to be unboxing the newly launched phone from Xiaomi. It's known as Redmi Y2, and I also unboxed Redmi Y1, and that phone was also known for its selfie camera, though the camera was just decent. And this time again this has 16 megapixel selfie shooter, and it has AI on both front and as well as back. So I really want to see how it performs, the 16 megapixel front facing camera in different conditions. So yeah, let's quickly move on to the specifications and then we'll quickly unbox the phone. So here we go. So yeah, it has a 16 megapixel front facing camera I was talking about with AI, 12 plus 5 megapixel back camera with AI again, 5.99-inch display, and this doesn't have a HD plus display, and Snapdragon 625. So yeah, and this is actually the gold color I have picked up this time. And one thing more, that this phone does not have that hybrid SIM slot, something that is now in trend, so that's pretty good. So you can use two SIM as well as SD card to expand your storage. And it pretty much has every sensor including the gyroscope. It does support OTG, it does have notification LED, and it also have EIS. Now it didn't support fast charging, does not have USB type C, and there is no OIS. Of course, looking at the price you can't expect that. So yeah, let's quickly unbox the phone. Just one seal on the bottom left. Here we go. Let's quickly take the phone out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it, and if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. It does help a lot. Okay, so Redmi Y2, there is no pull tab, so just gonna quickly take this out. Okay, as I said, the gold variant. Let's keep this to the side, and this is actually having the polycarbonate body. It looks a lot like Redmi Note 5 Pro. I'll do a quick comparison, and in this I think you get that TPU case, and yes, there is the case, and that looks pretty good, some value for your money. Moving on, you get this papers. You can read this if you're a first time user. Also get this cable, which is not type C as I said, charger, and this is not a fast charger. As I said, this phone does not support fast charging, 5V 2A. And let's keep everything to the side and come back to the phone itself. Honestly, it doesn't look like it has this polycarbonate body, and on the back, I don't know if you're able to see this or not, but it says that you can use two SIM as well as the micro SD card to expand your storage. So let me quickly take this out. Here we go. It really looks like a lot like, as I said, Redmi Note 5 Pro. Just has that antenna band on the top and bottom. And let's quickly take out this plastic as well. Okay, just looks pretty good in the hands. So first of all, let me show you guys the SIM tray I was talking about. Here we go, two SIM and SD card as well. Let's put this back in, and let me give you a physical overview. First of all, power key and volume rockers on the right, camera bump, 12 plus 5 megapixel camera, fingerprint sensor on the back. And this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro I was talking about. This is by the way, the rose gold variant, and it just has, as I said, the antenna bands. Other than that, looks pretty much the same. So on the top you get this audio jack with IR blaster and secondary mic. On the bottom you get charging slot, speaker and mic as well, and on the front you get 5.99-inch which is not full HD display, and this does not have a 2.5D curved glass. So yeah guys, first of all let me quickly get rid of this setup process. I'll scan my face and let's see how it works. So everything is completed guys, and let me show you the face unlock, speed and everything. Here we go. Looks decent. Here we go once again, one final time. So yeah, as of now it looks really fast, and let me quickly take a pic. I will be doing the camera review later. This is just a demo. Here's the box of the phone itself, and initial impressions are just good. Can't say a lot right now. So yeah guys, and let me quickly show you that it is actually running Android 8 Oreo. Here we go, and yes, Android 8 out of the box. And I will be doing a lot of video with this phone, and if you have any specific type of video you want me to do, let me know in the comment section. And it also has a lot of pre-installed apps. Facebook and Amazon also have this WPS Office and all, which they pretty much all give in every phone. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And as I said, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. As always guys, peace out.